Eto na, CrypTito here again, back with another video. Pangkit, in this video, pag-uusapan natin tong Iguverse. And in this, we can turn our pets into NFTs. And dito, meron mga laro, meron mga survey na ginagawa. So, just by completing those tasks, is mag-earn tayo ng cryptocurrency na pwede nating, syempre, i-cash out. Tingnan natin yung website nila and then yung application mismo. By the way, kung bago pa lang dito, my name is CrypTito and in this channel, dito nagdi-discuss tayo ng NFT projects, platform reviews, tutorials, trading analysis, fundamental analysis, trading tutorials, at ways on how to earn money here in the crypto space. Now, before we start, make sure to subscribe na to this YouTube channel and then turn on the bell notification icon para maging updated ka sa mga future updates ko. Papasadahan natin to and then papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung gameplay niya and then yung application niya. Okay, so Iguverse, introducing blockchain to millions of users in a GameFi way. We built an entire ecosystem powered by high-end AI, ML, machine learning, and blockchain solutions combined in an easy-to-use cross-platform mobile application. By the way, dito wala kang ilalabas. And then, again, yung pets natin, pwede natin gawing NFT pag sign up pa lang natin. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung process. Sabi nga dito, it's using an AI or machine learning. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-mint yung kauna-unahan nating NFT. Watch our promo video. Sige, watch natin to.
Iguverse is the blockchain app designed for pet lovers. It combines 3 activities: play, move, and socialize to earn. To start playing, create an NFT for your pet. Use your camera or just upload a photo of your animal. We know you have lots of them. Customize your pet NFT. There are 10 rarity classes, from common to diamond. The rarer your pet is, the more tokens you earn. If you don't have a pet, take it easy. Innovative AI technology
Itong ganda nito.
one of your dreams. As everyone knows, our pets need attention. So give love and care to your virtual pet using the activities in our game. It will reward you later. Share your pet ID on social media. Others will find it and help you complete tasks. Who knows? It could be the beginning of a great friendship or even love. Socialize to earn. Walking your pets makes them happy and keeps you healthy.
Move to earn din siya.
To walk 10 minutes a day. Move to earn. Don't forget to feed your pet. Playing a reaction-based arcade game.
This is the game.
Get more rewards, invite your friends. It's more fun to play together. Play to earn. You can spend your rewards to upgrade your pet or swap Igu tokens for other cryptocurrencies. At least 1% of your reward goes to charity organizations which you can choose.
This one, alright.
Iguverse aims to encourage users to be more social and help animals in a gamified way. Share your love and earn.
And there you go. Alright, so actually yun na yun, no? Yun yung pinaka-gist ng project. Sa mga batang 90s dyan, kung naalala yung Tamagotchi, it's a virtual pet na meron kang maliit na device. Papakainin mo, papatulugin mo, papaliguan mo. So, para siyang ganun. So, merong part or mode or game mode dito na parang Tamagotchi. Available sa App Store, sa Android, ito. Okay, kung gusto nyo mag-APK, download nyo lang yan. Play PvP games and get 5% bonus. Ayan. So, meron din silang PvP game, The Mystery of Likes. Sige, try natin i-cover yan mamaya. Generate unique NFTs using our AI technologies. So, just like dun sa video, pwede kang gumamit ng picture ng pets mo. And then, pipili ka ng background para yun ang magiging NFT mo. Or, kung wala ka namang pets, meron nung generator ng NFT. All you need to do is pipili ka ng characteristics. Say, anong hayop siya? Is it tiger? Is it dog? Is it cat? Is it a bull? Is it a bear? Yan. Tapos, is it a baby bear? Is it a daddy bear? Mga ganun. So, mamaya check natin. Masaya, ang galing. Ang ganda ng mga artwork. Ito, just like ito mga nakikita nyo, those are samples. And then, again, those are generated by AI. Our progress in numbers, ayan, so ang dami na nag-downloads. Community nila, ito. NFTs worth 4 million sold. 50k donated for animal welfare. organizations. So, meron silang dalawang tokens, IGU, which is yung governance token nila, and then naman yung IGUP token naman is yung pang-reward. IGU, pang-staking, governance, NFT minting, okay? Ranking up, level up ng NFTs, restoring unable NFTs, and mystery boxes. Okay, you can buy it here. And IGUP token naman is token rewards. So, ito yung nakukuha natin sa pag-complete ng mga task and game. Staking, feeding pets, okay? And deflationary by token burn. When you click this, buy IGU, ito, yan, these are the platforms kung saan available yung IGU token. Ito, so, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGet, yan, mga naging partner ko in the past. Yan, so, pinakita naman yan sa video. So, ito yung game, play to earn, compete in a reaction-based minigame. So, para siyang, basta tatalo na may mga obstacle na yan. Physical activity, move to earn din siya, just like na nakita nyo. Tapos, ito may referral system din sila, direct referral, indirect referral, so basahin nyo na lang. Yan, so pwede kang kumita nitong 5% boost, yun yung referral system nila, basahin nyo na lang. Alright, ito naman yung team nila. Ang maganda dito, merong link dun sa profile nila mismo, yung mga tao dito. Yung iba kasi walang link eh. So parang they can just or get any random picture sa Google and then alam mo yun, pangalanan nila. Ito, merong link in profile talaga or yung Twitter nila. Yan. Then this is their roadmap. Okay, Q1. They started noong 2022. Okay, yun yung progress nila. By the way, again, nothing that I will say is considered as financial advice. So I'm just showing you this platform. We're just featuring it. Pero I'm not asking you to engage, especially if you don't do your own research. Or if you didn't, sorry. Strategic partnership, okay, yung OKX. Ito, listed na nga siya sa OKX, which is one of the biggest crypto exchange platform. Stay in touch. And then, ito naman yung mga social media accounts or channels nila. Especially ito, Telegram nila. Kasi dito, pwede kayo mag-interact with other users. Magtanong kayo dyan. Meron mga moderators dyan. Alright, eto na. Dito na yung application. And again, I'm currently using an iPad. Pero iPad is considered as mobile device din. So, expect na this is also the interface na makikita nyo sa iPhones and Android phones nyo. Alright, so dito yung menu. Dito naman yung competitive games. Ayan, Mystery of Likes, try natin yan mamaya. So, magkakaroon tayo ng NFT Evolution coming soon, Beauty Pageant, and then ito ang naabangan ko, NFT Royale, compete with other users in a fierce battle. Ayan, so pakita ko sa inyo itong pet ko. Ayan, si Tommy. This is my pet. Nandito yung collection. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-mint. By the way, again, itong NFT na to is free. The moment you sign in, the moment you sign up, pagagawin nga na lang ng NFT mo. So, libre yan. Okay, charity, how it works. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang dun sa mga who cares about iguanas. Okay? Itong tab naman na to is the leaderboard. Ito naman yung referrals. Yan, you can copy that. Ito yung isi-share mo ngayon sa mga friends mo. And then, pag nag-copy sila or naggumawa sila ng account, then you will get these. Last tab is yung marketplace pero coming soon pa rin yan. Okay? Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano naman mag-mint ng NFT. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung process. Same lang to dun sa process na gagawin nyo dun sa pag-sign up nyo. Click this or this one. Okay? So, yung first, yan yon. And then, yung mga higher tier na NFTs, yan yung mga presyo. Yan. So, ako, meron akong rare na NFT. So, kunin natin yan. By the way, just for transparency, this was provided to me by Iguverse, okay? Para maipakita ko sa inyo or may demo ko sa inyo. Ngayon yung NFT with photo of your pets, ito yung kanina. Same lang dun sa nakita natin sa video. Papakita ko sa naman sa inyo, ito kung wala ka namang own pet or wala kang own picture. So, let's use this. Then continue. Randomize, you can choose randomize or pwede kang mamili. May bear, bull, camel. There's a lot of options there. So, bear na lang tayo, bear. Oh, monkey. Okay, monkey. Type of drawing po to ito, right? So, basahin nyo na lang. Digital art. Maturity size. Is it old? Is it baby monkey? Small, big? So, let's make it big. Big monkey. Lovely, upset, aggressive. Out. Cute na lang, cute. Tapos, accessories niya, is it glasses, cap, hat. Okay, so dalawang pwedeng piliin natin. Select. On yacht. Okay. Is it a princess? Prince, businessman. Okay. Celebrity na lang. Alright. And then, style. Okay. Modern times. Right. So, generate NFT. Okay. So, gagawa siya ng NFT based dun sa mga characteristics nila. Right. So, it will take, 1 minute. Saglit lang yan. Right. Bahabang. Okay. Eto na. Uy! Astig, oh. So, again, pwede kang mamili dito. Or, try ko kayo yung baby. But again, make sure hanggang 3 lang to. Pwede tayo magpalit-palit hanggang 3 times. So, balik tayo. Gusto ko ng monkey tapos baby. Okay, let's try that. Generate. Okay, generate ulit tayo ng NFT. So, let's try kung gaano siya ka-cute. May baby monkey tayo. Eto na. Grabe. Para ayoko ng baby monkey. Para tingin bata siya. Okay. So, yeah. Balik tayo doon. Parang ayoko ng monkey. So, let's go back. So, alright. So, ano na lang tayo. Mag-big na lang tayo. And then, I don't like monkey. Let's make it bear. Ay, hindi. Sige. Yeah, let's... Bear, maturity size, big. Cute, celebrity, modern times. Okay. So, last na to. So, ito na yung final. Whatever, kung ano man, yung kalabasan nito, mamimili na tayo from there. Okay? Again, by the way, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, ayun, ang ganda! Sulit yung pagtatry natin ng bago. So, I like these options. Actually, ang ganda lahat eh. What? Kayo mapangkin, if kayo papipilian, anong gusto nyo dito sa 4 na to? Let me know in the comment section if this is, comment nyo on 1. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? I'll choose this na lang. Perfect balance of everything. You got the chain. You got the... Okay. Good. Alright, next step. Now, we're generating it na. Ang pangalan ng NFT natin, ang pangalan niya is Berwin. Oh, Berwin. Berwin kasi panalo yung bear. Okay. Berwin. Ang Papa Bear. Papa Bear. Tito Bear. Okay, Tito Bear. Oh, okay. Tito Bear. Okay, let's go. Next step. Okay, confirm purchase. There you go. And confirm. Alright. Financing transaction. Please don't close the app. Yun! Okay, new NFT pet created. Okay, rare NFT. So, view collection, then start playing. Okay, let's start playing. Right, so daily task. Yeah, so ito, add social media account. Ito, all you need to do is to connect that. So, hindi muna natin ito gagawin. I-cover natin to on our next videos about Iguverse. Alright, so walk your pets. Yan. And then yung play with your pet. So, let's check this out. Restore your energy, start playing. Prepare to play. So, this is the gameplay. Ito yung mga tumatalon-talon. I'm currently using a mouse, pero you can use your touchscreen. Sorry naman. Yan. So, tatalon-talon ka lang sa mga cactus. Okay. Kuha ka lang ng mga fruits. So, mukha lang siya mabilis, no? Pero actually, challenging siya. Kasi minsan, kailangan mong tipirin yung ayan o. So, dapat titipirin mo yung talon. Hindi masyado mataas. Uy, yun lang. Alright, so that's the gameplay. Alright. So, yan, may nakakolekta ka mga rewards. Right, so ito. The mystery of likes. Play game. 2 vacant rooms. Okay. Vacant room dito. Ito, kalabanin natin to. Tingnan natin. Ang galing mo. Okay, confirm transaction. Okay, this is your opponent's NFT. You need to guess how many likes it has. The likes are invisible, both of you and your opponent. Okay, so maghuhulaan kayo kung ilan yung like na to. It's not likable. I'll guess this one. Okay? Alright, maraming cat lover. I'll guess this one. I like the glasses. Top tayo dito. So, ito yung kanyang NFT na sarili niyang dog, I guess. So, let's give love to that dog. A real dog. So, what is that? This one and, alright. So, tingnan natin kung panalo tayo. Dapat mas mataas. Okay, panalo tayo. Okay, congrats, you managed to outmatch your opponent. 30 ang napunta sa akin will be transferred to your wallet immediately. So, yeah. So, that is it. Again, there's a lot of things pa that we need to explore here. Especially yung mga other modes na hindi pa natin nako-cover. Again, there will be a part 2 or part 3, part 4 ng Iguverse to discuss this. Again, if you have questions pangkin about Iguverse, paano to Tito, if you have concerns dun sa application, mga tanong, paano mag-cash in, paano mag-cash out, let me know in the comment section para masagot natin dun sa mga susunod na videos. Okay, so again, if interested ka sa Iguverse, yan, so as you can see, gagawa lang tayo ng mga ganon, mga task, mapalaro-laro lang, and then we're getting tokens na eventually we can cash out once na-release na siya. And again, ang maganda dito is wala kang initially ilalabas. Kung gusto mo maglabas, it's your choice. Parang laro din yan, di ba? Like sa ML, hindi naman natin need bumili ng mga skin. Pero if gusto natin mas maangas, then it's up to us kung gusto nating bumili. If interested kayo, again, yung sign-up link, referral link ko is nandyan sa my description. So, use that to sign up. And again, subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell notifications icon para updated ka sa mga susunod pa nating videos about Iguverse and anything about crypto. Also, follow mo na rin ako sa Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, at kung ano-ano pa ang social media platform. Nandyan sa baba yung mga links. And yeah, that's it for now and see you in the next video.